Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see apps and websites that are connected with your Facebook account. Maybe you wanted to know on what apps and website that's connected to your account so you can remove it. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see the apps and website that are connected with your account. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into your home page. And once you're in your home page, select this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. You need to do is to scroll down and look for the settings and privacy. After that, tap on this drop down button and select the settings. Under the settings and privacy, you'll see here the preferences, audience and visibility, your activity, and also your information. Under your information, you will see here the apps and websites. Simply tap on it. And then in here are the apps and websites you connected to your Facebook account by either logging into them with your Facebook or by connecting an account you have with them. As you can see, here are the application. You can also tap on See More. Apps and websites that are connected with your Facebook. That is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see apps and website that is connected with your Facebook account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.